To act as a catalyst to the heat pump market, various funding opportunities are available to help cover part or all of the installation of a heat pump system. The schemes available or the rules within them are liable to changes. In this video, we will provide a high-level overview. Please consult with the relevant scheme information for the most up-to-date and accurate information. We will cover the boiler upgrade scheme for England and Wales, the requirements for an MCS certified installation company, and the Home Energy Scotland grants and loans. A large-scale scheme available is the boiler upgrade scheme, commonly referred to as the BUS grant. Through this scheme, individual homes can get a grant to cover part of the cost of replacing fossil-fuelled heating systems with a heat pump. The scheme is open to people in England and Wales and has long-term funding available until March 2028. If you are installing an air source heat pump, you may be eligible to apply for a one-off grant of £7,500. Some key eligibility details are: the scheme is available to owner-occupiers and private landlords. You must own the property you're applying for, including if it's a business, a second home, or a property you rent out to tenants. The property will qualify if it's either on or off the gas grid. New builds and social housing are not eligible for the boiler upgrade scheme. The next eligibility criteria specifies that you must be replacing a fossil fuel heating system such as gas, oil, LPG or direct electric system. The existing fossil fuel appliance must be fully removed to qualify for the grant. Planning to retain the fossil fueled appliance in a hybrid setup will disqualify you from receiving the grant. Heat-only systems are also exempt. The heat pump must be installed to satisfy both the property's heating and hot water requirements. Immersion heaters for topping up the hot water for anti-Legionella protection are still permitted. The maximum heating output capacity of the system must be below 45 kilowatt total heat. Any system exceeding this limit will not qualify. Additionally, the system you install must meet specific standards, including minimum annual efficiency requirements of 280%. Installation must be carried out by an MCS registered installer, as non-registered installers are ineligible to claim the grant. As I said earlier, the scheme rules are always open to change, so please consult the UK Government website. But as you can see, it's fairly broad in scope and open for many property owners to take advantage of. The value of £7,500 per installation is one of the most generous in Europe and helps cover a significant cost of the installation, making air source heat pumps comparable with the cost for replacing a gas or oil boiler. Only installations that are designed and installed by MCS certified businesses are able to apply for the grant. We cover more around MCS in another video. The process to obtain the grant requires the MCS registered installer to provide a quotation for installation. The initial quotation is necessary to provide the customer with a price estimate before proceeding with the grant application. The grant amount will be subtracted from the total installation cost. The customer will then pay the remaining balance to the installer, who will subsequently claim the voucher. So a system installation costing a total of £10,000 will require the homeowner to pay just the £2,500 balance. The installer must submit evidence including proof of installation, technical evidence relating to system design, commissioning process details and the building's eligibility before receiving the voucher. For Scotland, the Home Energy Scotland grants and interest-free loans are available. These are variations available to homeowners, those building their own home, landlords and developers. The scheme is also available for additional carbon reduction products such as solar PV. Full details are available on the Home Energy Scotland website.